Hello friends, welcome to ABA All Pro 3. At ABA All Pro 3, we bring you the latest reviews of trending and innovative electronic gadgets. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the top 5 best products available on the market. We created this list based on our own research, customer feedback, product quality, features, and overall value for price. Our focus is mainly on budget-friendly to mid-range options that you can easily purchase online. However, we have also included a few premium recommendations for those looking for advanced features and top-tier performance.
Let's get started.
Number 5.
If you want to learn more about the products featured in this video and check their latest prices, be sure to visit the links provided in the description box below.
Sold. Review. Rating.
Percent off.
Price. Click the links.
Number 4. The price of the product may change from time to time because the discount is sometimes more and sometimes less. For this, please visit the description link. Sold. Review. Rating.
Percent off.
Price. Click the links.
Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 3. You will find all kinds of products on our channel. If you go to the description link, you can buy thousands of products if you want. Different products too. Sold. Review. Rating.
Percent off.
Price. Click the links.
Check the links on the description box for more details and price. Number 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing tech content from ABA All Pro 3. Sold. Review. Rating.
Percent off.
Price. Click the links.
Number 1. Some products look great online, but disappoint in real life. In this video, we're focusing on options that actually stand out for features, reliability, and value. We hope this video helped you find the perfect product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Sold. Review. Rating.
Percent off.
Price. Click the links.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you find the right product for your needs.